Hello everyone and welcome back. So this is problem 8 of the 2021 fall AMC 10A. Alright, let's get started. A two-digit positive integer is said to be cuddly if it is equal to the sum of its non-zero tens digit and the square of its units digit. How many two-digit positive integers are cuddly? Okay, let's turn these words into numbers. First of all, we have to denote a two-digit positive integer in terms of numbers. How would we do this? Well, we denote our tens digit as A, and remember that this is non-zero, and B as our units digit. Alright, great. Now, let's just set up an equation for a two-digit positive integer, 10A plus B. Now, this is equal to the sum of these two things, the non-zero tens digit and the square of the units digit. So, equal to the non-zero tens digit, which is A, and the square of its unit digit, which is B squared. Now, all we have to do is algebra. 9A equals B squared minus B. Taking out 1B, we get B minus 1. Dividing by 9, we see that B minus 1 end parentheses is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. Okay, so we have this equation right here, right? We have A equals B minus 1 by 9. From here, we can plug in all the possible values for a units digit, that is the numbers 0 through 9, and see which of them are divisible by 9. Okay, first of all, 0. 0 divided by 9 is 0. Next is 1. 1 times 0 is 0. 0 divided by 9 is 0. Next is 2. 2 times 2 minus 1, 2. 2 over 9. We can't have 2/9 of a tens digit. Next is 3. 3 times 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 9 is 2/3. Next, 4. For B equals 4. 4 times 3. 12 divided by 9. Oh, we can't have that. 5. 5 times 4. 20 divided by 9. Nope. 6. 6 times 5. 30. 30 divided by 9. Nope. 7. 7 times 6 divided by 9. 42 divided by 9. Nope. 8. 8 times 7 divided by 9. 56 divided by 9. Nope. And finally, 9. 9 times 8, 72. 72 divided by 9. This is 8. This is a possible two-digit integer. A could be 1 through 9 because it's a tens digit, and 9 is the only one that satisfies this. Therefore, our answer is 1. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.